Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CrowdStrike Falcon device isolation for threats. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To configure CrowdStrike Falcon device isolation for threats, begin by logging into the CrowdStrike Falcon console. Navigate to the hosts section from the left sidebar. Select devices to view the list of monitored devices. Identify the device you wish to isolate. Click on the device to open the device details page. Look for the Isolate option, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the Isolate button. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation of isolation. Review the details and confirm the action. Once confirmed, the device will be isolated from the network. Isolation prevents the device from communicating with other devices and external networks. Monitor the status of the isolated device in the console. To investigate the threat, navigate to the Detection section. Review the alerts and details pertaining to the isolated device. After resolving the threat, return to the Device Details page. Select the Restore option to bring the device back online. Confirm the action to complete the restoration process. Check the device's connectivity status to ensure it is rejoined to the network. Finally, review the security policies and ensure that best practices are in place to prevent future threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.